Okay guys, we're just gonna get this wagon into a safer resting place. Okay, we're waiting for a sound. Okay, we got to get this one on the pad here. Yeah, it's perfect timing, eh, Claude? Good timing, Claude. I'm impressed with your timing, buddy. Okay, so Blair, which way do you... So should we go out and then back it in, or?
I don't think it makes any difference. This is easiest.
Okay, yeah, let's just crank her this way then. Okay, bring her ahead. Yeah, this way, yeah, it keeps it away from the shop a bit. I think right there is good. You can get around. Back it up a couple feet so we can walk around.
You want the wheels back the other way?
Yeah, no, right there, just straighten them out. It should sit here. Okay, we're good. Perfect. Anyway, here guys, we got our 57 here ready for our good buddy Chris at Super Clean Media Blasting. This thing is in mint shape. We just want to get rid of some surface rust. Gonna put it all in paint and it'll be going at the auction, no reserve. 57 Bel Air 2-door hardtop. We already have a mint front clip for it. We got a body mount kit. Just got to put in the rad support, some inner fenders. Oh, I got to go find the trunk lid. Anyway, we're just gonna watch Chris do his magic here.
the next day.
I've been plugging away at the old 57 a bit. It's almost starting to look like a car. Today we're gonna try and get the body mounts in it. We just slapped a couple fenders on it. Basically, we want the whole car in white because we had the two fenders. They came with the car, mint fenders, mint hood. They're white, so basically if we can get the body on the mount, anyway, line everything up a bit, get this thing in primer, then it can go outside, sit in the snowbank. At least it's not gonna rust. We're just doing the flat horizontal surfaces. Anyway, because somebody might want to sandblast the whole thing again. We just don't want it rusting because it didn't look like it was a nice car. But now that we've got all the rust off it, I'm gonna put some primer on it, some epoxy primer, and then just spray it with some Chevy white. It's gonna look pretty sick. Might even have to put some tires and rims on it so it looks like a real car. But anyway, said no reserve at the auction. You guys want a 57 Chev. This one's a really good starter. Excellent starter project.